Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox. The application encountered an unrecoverable error. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to completely uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. First step, we need to clear Roblox data from our computer. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. You just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to search for Roblox, right click on it and delete it. Now search for temp folder, double click on it. Search for Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it. After doing it, just to close off here. To clear Roblox data from our browser, you just need to open up browser and select the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side select third party cookies. You just need to scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here you just need to search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and delete it. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Second step is to uninstall Roblox. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Search for Roblox. Just right click on it and select uninstall it. After getting uninstalled done, you need to also uninstall such as cheat protection programs like Faceit and third-party applications such as KRNL and injectors. Just right click on it and select uninstall it. After doing it, just to close off here. The third step is to reinstall Roblox. To do this, you just need to open up a browser. You just need to search for Roblox site. Log into your account. After login to your account, select any games over here. Select play option over here. Wait for it. Roblox is now loading. Select the download and install Roblox option. And Roblox will start downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After getting installed done, you just need to right click on the Roblox on the desktop shortcut and select properties. Select compatibility tab and you just need to check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and select run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to download Roblox from Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. You just need to search for Roblox. Click on the Roblox over here. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.